Hello everyone. So I will show a video about install Teamcity. Yes, and connect to database Mysql. So as people request me to do this, and I will show as what you requested. Okay, thank you for watching all my video. Sorry, because previously I tried to do a video without talking. I'm like just shy. I'm shy to speak. Okay, so now I'm okay. I can speak. Yes. So what we have to do is to pull an image from Docker Hub. I have already pulled an Teamcity image, so I can show you all the image I have pulled it. So I have JetBrains Teamcity server with the latest stage, and I have my actual. Yes. So if you not yet have this image, you need to do docker pull and the name something like this. So example here, as I already have it, so now I just run it directly. So in the Docker Hub, there is a document for how we can run Teamcity. For example, we can specify the volume, the directory. So for me, I am going not specify any directory. I just specify the port, so it's easy for me to access it. So I just copy this. Okay, so docker run -it, it interact terminal and name Teamcity. I will specify the host name and -p. So the internal port I put 8080 and the guest port is 11. Okay, so use the Teamcity image name. So here I run the Teamcity. I just put it -d to make it run in background. Okay, so we can docker ps to show the process. So the containers has been run 7 seconds ago. We can access it through this port. So there is the name of Teamcity. I can check the log for this container with docker log -f and the container name. Here the log, we can see that it is starting up by Tomcat, and the process is still running. So let's see, deploying web application directory. Okay, so it's still setting up the Teamcity. Okay, it is done. So it tells us to run from access through this port. So as I have run it on 8080 port, so I can access it through the IP, through the Docker IP with this port. My Docker IP is this one, 10. 192.168.1.3, and the port I specified. Okay, here I have Teamcity, and okay, let's start to install it. It is going to require the database, so what we have to do, we need to run a database. I'm going to try MySQL with requested, so I type docker run -d -name db 100 and -h db 100, and this is the host name, and okay, that's all. Just with MySQL, it's requires to set password for root. If you don't specify it, you will don't know how to access root password. Okay, so MySQL root password, I set it to root easy, and MySQL container image name. So I can see the log db100, it initializing database. So at my Teamcity database connection, I select MySQL, yes. Okay, so we have to download JDBC driver for MySQL. So download it. Okay, it's keep downloading. So I'm going to see my database. It is starting. There is some warning that it said cannot load, use, or share zone info. Okay, I don't know what is it, but we can ignore it. Okay, I think the process is done, so we can go into the database container. So docker exec -it db100 and bash. So here I'm in the database container, so I can use -r -u root -p root easy. Okay, so here I'm in database. I want to show database. Okay, so I'm going to create a database for Teamcity. Create database Teamcity. Okay, so database again. So here the Teamcity, I already have it. And then so we have to know the database IP and the port. So I can, okay, one more thing, we need to create one user for Teamcity database. So create user Teamcity add. So I didn't specify any IP, I just any IP with we have to use MySQL native password because there is some issue with default authentication, so I decide to use this. So yes, I use this option to create the database user. Identify with my Mysql native password by I take it easy Teamcity. Okay, so I need to grant permission. Grant. So I grant all permission on database Teamcity table, any table, to Teamcity user. Yes. Okay. So this user already have permission to access Teamcity database, so I can try MySQL minus. Okay. I can find the database container IP. Inspect DB100. I need to grab IP. Okay. This database using IP .3, so I can try MySQL minus h the host port, host IP minus u, pass username team city minus p. What? I think I need to add MySQL for testing. Okay, I can put it here. The database IP, the port is 3306. Database name Teamcity. Okay, everything is the same. Okay, I put the same. Let me test. Okay, it worked. So it is trying to create the database. Okay, after the database created successfully, it will be loaded automatically. I want to test. Okay, so let me test. What? MySQL. No. JSON bin MySQL. Yes. No. Okay. This one doesn't know MySQL. MyQL not found. Oh my god. Okay, keep it. So it is running, so I can see the log. Docker what? Docker log -f Teamcity. So we can see the process. So it is trying to set up the database. Startup confirmation is required. Open Teamcity web page browser server. Okay, this is depreciated. The new driver class is driver. The driver is automatically registered. Okay. Auto update is disabled. Not support for Docker Ubuntu distribution. I think it is running, but it just shows some warning. Let's see. So this is my Teamcity container, and this is my actual container. Let's see what is the log in database. Nothing log here. So I'm still waiting for the database setup and Teamcity initializing. Let's see, Docker exec it db100 base. Go to database and let's show database. Okay, use Teamcity. Let's show table. Okay, there are a lot of table here that Teamcity has been created. Okay, let's see any table. Let's select any table. User empty. There is no user here. Okay, so the setup process is almost done. It's success.